The NESCOM Barak is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed and built by the National Engineering and Scientific Commission, NESCOM, a civil scientific research and development organization of Pakistan, along with the Pakistan Air Force PAF. Barak remote piloted aircraft, UAV, UAS, and is UCAV manufacturer NESCOM first flight the 9th of May 2009 introduction 2013 status in service primary users Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan Army produced 2009 present. Primarily used by the PAF, it has also been used by the Pakistan Army PA in its counter-insurgency operations in northwest Pakistan. The Barak carries various imagery and motion sensors, and is equipped with a laser-guided air-to-surface missile named BARC. Inter-Services Public Relations, ISPR, the Public Relations Department of the Pakistan Armed Forces, described the system as a force multiplier. After a successful demonstration of its ability to fire missiles at both stationary and moving targets, Pakistan became the 5th country in the world to successfully develop an unmanned combat aerial vehicle. On the 7th of September 2015, the Barak was used for the first time in a live military operation when it was used to fire on a terrorist compound in the Shawal Valley in the Pakistani tribal areas, eliminating 3 high-profile targets, according to the Director General of the ISPR, Major General Asim Salim Bawa. Pakistan became the 4th military after Israel, the US and the UK to use an armed drone in active combat. Since 2004, the United States, U.S., has been conducting controversial strikes with its own UCAV systems in Pakistan's Northwest Territories that target suspected militants in the region. For years, Pakistan had been pushing the U.S. to allow it to acquire the MQ-1 Predator, the main UCAV system the U.S. uses in the strikes, but such requests were denied amid fear of technology proliferation. Barak development is thought to have primarily begun in 2009, with the contract being awarded to NESCOM in close coordination with the Pakistan Air Force. Growing frustration over the U.S. refusal and politicization of the U.S. UCAV strikes in the country, the Barak program is thought to have picked up in speed and secrecy. In 2012, China offered to help by selling Pakistan armed drones it had developed, but questions were raised about the capabilities of the drones. The first few models of the Barak were only capable of surveillance and intelligence gathering, and lacked any offensive combat capability. Some of these early models were used by the Pakistani military to track down militants. The first combat-capable version of the Barak was first publicly demonstrated in March 2015. The Barak is thought to be mostly influenced by the U.S. Predator and the Chinese CASC Rainbow CH-3. About the Barak program, Popular Science edited, with the Barak, Pakistan can now do drone strikes on their own, without the United States. Origin. The name, Barak, comes from the legendary creature mentioned in interpretations of Surah Al-Isra in the Quran. According to Islamic traditions, Barak is a steed, described as a creature from the heavens which carried Muhammad from Makkah to Al-Aqsa Mosque and then to the heavens, and back to Makkah during Miraj, lit. Night Journey, which is the title of Surah Al-Isra, one of the chapters in the Quran.